Hey everyone, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some, these should be socks, I guess, but let's open it up. See, how do we do this here? I'm gonna need a knife. There we go. Inside our first bag, we have another bag here with some Ziploc on it. Funny. So bag inside a bag. Okay, so this is the bag that has the pairs in it. It looks like you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of socks. They are warm and comfort, 45% wool, 15% cotton, 35% polyester, and 5% spandex. And let me just make sure they're all the same on these here. It looks like they are going to be. So this is it. So you get all these different colors right here. Let's try one on and see how it feels. Let's try this color here. I'm colorblind, so I'm not exactly sure, but I'll show you here. I got this size here, so it's got, these ones are pretty big feet, I guess. My feet are fairly small, but let's see what we do here. I'll kind of aim you guys down over there because that's the only place I can see it for. Okay, so let's put this on. It's really soft on the inside. I don't know if you can see. The outside looks like the sock there, and then the inside has that kind of stuff. So let me put this on my foot. And there, oh, fits good. Ooh, that's soft. So it feels nice and soft on there. And it's pretty thick, so it'd be good, nice in the winter time. Could wear it inside, short boots. But these are them here. They feel nice and soft and good. I mean, really good. They fit nice. So, and they are. That's the right size for me. I'm at 8.5. Let me see what size I got here. Does it say? Probably says it on this one. It says, just says 5 pairs. So, MS12 5P. I don't know what that means, but seems good. And these are nice. And so you get all these different colors. So I'm going to say these are good socks. Thumbs up for sure.